Hello everybody and welcome back to my home kitchen. We are celebrating a great time of year, the return of the SweeTango Apple in produce departments nationwide. So as you know, we're huge fans of this apple brand here at the Produce Moms. Been working in a brand partnership with the wonderful growers of SweeTango apples for a couple seasons now, and I just can't say enough good things about this apple. First of all, like I evaluate all food, does it taste good? This apple tastes amazing. So I don't care if you're more on the tart side or the sweet side, you're gonna love the SweeTango apple. It has an amazing crunch, a wonderful sweetness, and it also has like a nice tart finish. So it just kind of is the apple for everyone. And it is great because they are back, and they are back bigger than they've ever been. This is gonna be the best year they've ever had in terms of apple availability. They're nice size. I mean, look at how beautiful these apples are. And this is early season stuff. So it's just gonna get better and better as the season continues. But wanted to just hop on here and make sure that you all knew SweeTango apples are available now at your produce department. And if you are looking for inspiration on how to use your SweeTango apples, first of all, they are great just eating them out of hand. But let's be honest, it's fall. We all like preparing fun, homemade, apple-inspired dishes in our home kitchens. Check out theproducemoms.com for all sorts of great recipes that we've made in partnership with SweeTango. And also don't forget to check out SweeTango's website as well. And coming soon this season, in addition to the biggest and best SweeTango apple season of all time, we also are publishing a charcuterie board ebook in partnership with SweeTango, where you can celebrate with those beautiful grazing boards with SweeTango as the showstopper on each and every one of those boards. We're talking breakfast boards, bridal shower boards, after school snack boards, date night boards. We have you covered in this ebook. So make sure you keep an eye out for that. We'll make sure that you hear about it here at the Produce Moms. But truly just congratulations to all of the growers at SweeTango. We're very happy that the apple's back in stock nationwide. And everyone, look for it or ask for it by name if it's not in your produce department, because I know when you buy a SweeTango apple and you take that first bite, you are going to be happy.